Hey guys, welcome to this episode of Just the Tip. We're back working on this CBR again, and if you ever buy a motorcycle and anybody has replaced the tank or done anything, wrecked it, just had to replace the tank for some reason, probably the key doesn't fit this gas cap anymore, and it sucks. This fits your trunk but doesn't fit your gas cap. So what do? You bore it out, you drill it out, and you get it to work with a screwdriver. So now it'll work with that, but that's terrible. So what do? Well, for $30 on eBay, especially these older ones, you can get an entire kit that has the ignition, 2 keys. The one I got for my stunt bike actually has 3 keys. So 2 keys, the trunk latch, and a brand new gas cap. This one actually has the hardware with it. So there you go, an entire set. It replaces it for 30 bucks. There's only one catch. Sometimes these wires aren't exactly where they should be. What you have to do is pop this back panel off with these screws and look at where each wire goes inside there and match that. Turn this over and match that to the one on your current ignition. Now that works great, and that's one option. In my situation, I don't have the tamper-proof Torx necessary to take these bolts off the factory ignition that's in there right now. So I'd have to buy a whole nother set of tools, and really I don't want to wait on it. So what's our other option? Since we don't want to put the whole kit on. So the answer is right here. For $20 on Amazon, you can get yourself a nice gas cap. This one here even says CBR. Got a nice seal on it. It vents through the cap. Really, you can't beat it. So we're gonna get this thrown on there real quick. All right, there we go. We got it all installed. Looks good. Got us a spare gas cap. Problem solved. Now if somebody loses theirs, at least we'll have that. I really like it too. I think it came out really nice. This is 12 o'clock, and remember, I can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip.